Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Yenko Tribute. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. If you have any questions, just give us a call. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle. What a gorgeous car this is right here, finished in that beautiful Hugger orange with black interior and black stripes. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. Does have the Yenko stripes on it. Really looks good. It's got the correct wheels and tires that the Yenko would have had. This is pretty much the spot-on replica Yenko as you could get. The guy went all out on it, and it really looks good. We'll show you the passenger side of the interior first. All the interiors in excellent condition. Even got the correct SYC in the headrest like the Yenko would have had. The gentleman went above and beyond on this car. It is really nice. Completely frame off, restored, and it looks like it. Beautiful paint job. No nicks, scratches, dings, or dents in the paint. Really looks good. And I'll show you inside the trunk here. Inside the trunk's finished beautifully. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really looks good. It's got a matte with the splatter paint, but overall looks to be in great condition. No rust underneath the mat, which is a big plus in most of these old cars. When you have a trunk mat in it, all they do is rust. But this one here really looks good. And it's got the trunk stickers that really look good, nice and clean. So I'm going to shut the trunk here, and Greg is going to start it up for us. Sounds good. A great rumble to it. Really looks good. Like I said, that Hugger orange paint isn't a better color, in my opinion, on a Chevelle or a Camaro. It was a really nice color that Chevrolet made. But the car really looks good, and they didn't really skip a step on it. It's got the tack in the dash. New style radio. Really nice. Super clean. Shut the door here. I'm going to take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood's powered by a 454 Chevrolet, dressed to look like a 427, but it is a 454 Chevrolet. Power steering, power disc brakes. Absolutely gorgeous. Underneath the hood, the hood itself is in excellent condition as well. Just a really quality car here that we got. Shut the hood, and we'll take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Yenko Tribute. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. So if you stick around here, we're going to take this Chevelle for a test drive, see how it does. And you're going to want to stick around for this one because this is one bad dude. So we're going to take it for a ride. Here we go. Here's the test drive. We're going to take this 69 Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. Perfect day here to be driving classic cars. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. We're going to drive us some classic cars today. All right, here we go. the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Exceptionally, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. No rattles or shakes, and doesn't pull to the left or the right any. Just does it excellent. So we're going to turn around and head back here, and like I do every time, I have Greg get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car's made of.
I may let off this one. I'm telling you, it's a bad dude.
It's a bad dude here, so we're going to get on it just a little bit.
Clears out here.
We got a couple of people in front of us here. As soon as they get through, we'll be ready to drive it. I think they opened up the floodgates on us here. All right, here we go. Car's got phenomenal power. Like I said, shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. Really, really nice. Don't have to drive it fast. Drives good slow, but I think it likes to go fast. So we're working our way back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video.